In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a really fun way in which you can combine AI and affiliate marketing in order to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Ina Castillo, and thanks to my online business and in this case, affiliate marketing, I was able to replace not one but two full-time jobs. As you can imagine, by having two full-time jobs, I didn't have a lot of time. That's the reason why I decided to go, and this was not my first attempt. After testing several ways to earn money online, I mean, dropshipping, drop service, Amazon, you name it, I decided to give it a try, affiliate marketing, because I didn't have a lot of time to create my own product, my own service, deal with customer service, with payment processors. So that's the thing that affiliate marketing gave us, that benefit. The only thing that we do is that we refer other people products and services which are a special link, and when someone make a purchase we earn a commission. And nowadays with AI there is a fun way in which you can actually do this. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are going to be on the same page. Something really important, guys, is watch the entire video and be committed with yourself, be committed with your success if you really want to have good results with this. Okay, at the end of the day, everything is going to depend up to you. I'm going to give you the tools. Okay, first of all, we're going to be using a marketplace that is called ClickBank for this example. If you cannot use ClickBank, there are other marketplaces such as D-Store24, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, AWin, and others. Once you join ClickBank by clicking where it says start here, or by going here at the bottom where it says affiliate start here, you're going to be able to go to the marketplace. By going to the marketplace, you are going to have the opportunity to promote as many products as you want on different categories. For example, here we have art and entertainment, we have betting systems, we have business, investing, computers, cooking, e-commerce, education, employment, languages, home and gardening, and others. For this example, I'm going to be using this product, which is on the arts and entertainment, which is called the Piano for All, the incredible new way to learn piano and keyboards. Okay. In order to grab my affiliate link, I'm going to go here where it says get affiliate link. Here on affiliate link, you're going to have the opportunity to choose your nickname that you previously configured, and this is going to be my special link. The only thing that I need to do right now is copy it here, put it on a notebook or a notepad, and make sure that you have it handy because we are going to need it. This is the link that we're going to be sharing it. As you can see, it's look kind of ugly, but we are going to make it look way better. So Piano for All is like an online academy in which people can find a fun and easy way to learn piano online. It has been trusted by over 500,000 students worldwide. So this is something key. People enjoy it and you can actually promote it worldwide. So there is no limitation. Here are some of the styles that people are going to be learning to play, like ballads, pop, blues, jazz, ragtime, and even classical music. Okay. So this is how it's actually going to look like. People are going to be able to access it from their mobile devices as well, from their computer, which is actually really cool. Here people can actually see a sample of the lessons. So it's going to give them like more clarity of what's the benefits that they are actually going to get. And like there is no monthly subscription fee. Okay, so just a one-time payment. And for that one-time payment, our commission, it's going to be 29.30. Okay, 29.30, that's going to be our commission. This is the top piano product on ClickBank. If you are on a category and you are not 100% sure like which is the one that you are going to be recommending, put it here by gravity high to low. And the one at the top, in this case, is actually the same. It's the one that is giving affiliates, or it's actually getting a lot of sales from different affiliates. Okay, so that's actually really, really important. So now, with that said, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be using different websites and different AIs. Okay, there is no right or wrong way to do it, and I'm going to give you more examples on after this explaining this, so you can actually get more ideas of how this actually works. Okay, the first AI I'm actually using, it's this one, which is actually Claude. Here on Claude, I actually create a prompt here, in which basically I'm telling Claude to give me an HTML landing page, okay? Like everything in line with CSS and JavaScript, everything on one HTML file. That's something key, just one HTML file. I describe what I want. In this case, I want an interactive piano. Okay, this is what I wanted. I want an interactive piano for a specific piece that people are going to be playing, which is going to be in this case for release. Okay, um, here there are going to be like different steps. The first one is going to be learn it. The second one is going to be play it. I put the name of the song. In this case, it's going to be for release. It can be any other song. I also told them like this is going to be to promote a product. So I put my link here. I also put like I want an FTC affiliate disclosure on the product or on the footer. I specified the kind of design that I want, like black background, preview, minimalistics, the font that I wanted to use. So it actually create the landing page for me. Okay, it actually created the landing page for me, and it's actually interactive. Okay, so people can click, people can play. Okay, as you can see here, the piano is actually working. If you don't like it, because maybe you are like, you know what, I want, more and another call to action below the piano, because right now it's giving me just one call to action. Okay, you can actually specify that. Okay, you can actually specify that people can hear, people can put the tempo. Okay, people can actually play. Okay, I can put it here. Okay, as you can see, people can actually play with this. Okay, you can be creative, you can ask like different songs. You can also go to Google or use the AI to see like which are the most popular piano lessons. In this case, because of the product that we are promoting, we have a vast amount of songs that we can actually go, because we have different styles. Okay, so it doesn't have to be 100% a classical music. So once we are actually happy with it, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be downloading here. Okay, we're going to download the HTML file. Okay, we're going to be downloading the HTML file. There is just one file, and you can upload it, for example, to your favorite hosting. It can be, for example, Bluehost, HostGator. If you use System.io, there is a tap on System.io when literally you can copy the code and you're going to have it hosting there for free. Okay. So what else do we actually need? Okay. We have this. It's actually look fun. We actually need a way in which we are going to be promoting it. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So we need to promote this. Okay, there are several ways in which you can actually do it. And thanks to the AI, we can literally create videos. You don't need to show your face. And you can upload it to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts. Okay. Or you can use a site. In this case, we're going to be using Pinterest, but we're going to be using another AI to create the image. In this case, I actually go and I'm going to be using ChatGPT. Diana, why did you do not create everything on Claude? The reason why, and this is a personal preference, is because I like way more the images that I can create on ChatGPT than the one that I can create on Claude. But this is my personal preference. Okay, at the end of the day, you can use your favorite AI. And I know that there are tons of AI out there that you can use to create images and to create videos. In this case, I told ChatGPT, this is my prompt, super simple, that I'm going to be creating a Pinterest image to promote a 100% free online piano lesson to learn how to play Furless. Make sure to mention that this is an interactive online piano. Click and play instantly. It's beginner friendly. Also, that is going to be helping me with the title, with the description, and all that stuff. It didn't help me with the description, so you're going to put it here. Okay. Please provide me the title, description, hashtags that I can use to upload this image to Pinterest. Okay. Okay. For some reason, it's just create me the image. So this is my image. My image, it says here 100% free. Learn to play Furless. That's the specific piano lesson that we have it here. Online piano lesson is interactive. You can also modify this if you're like, you know what, this is a lot of text. You can remove some text. And here I do have what else? What also? Other things that I actually did, the title. So I can use the same image or a variation of the image with different titles, with the descriptions, the hashtag, the SEO keywords. Okay, so if you go, for example, on Pinterest and you can do a quick search here which says piano lessons, you're gonna see that you are gonna have different images here. So you need to make sure that yours is actually eye-catchy. So these are actually really simple. And then you are going to be going to here where it says create a pin. Here on create a pin, you are going to upload the image. Here you're going to put the title. Here you're going to put the description. Your link, okay, when you upload the page to your hosting. And here you're going to use the tags or the SEO keywords. So what else you can do? Okay, now you know and you're like, okay, I can just limit this to piano lessons. No, you can also go with other instruments. For example, if people are looking to learn how to play the guitar, if people are looking to learn how to, learn another language, woodworking, which is actually really cool and it's actually really popular on Pinterest. It's really big. So the sky's is the limit. And also remember that you can also go to your favorite AI and ask them like, hey, I have the possibility to create way more of these interactive pages. What else can I promote? Okay. And remember that, yes, I show you how you can actually use this by using ClickBank, but you can use other marketplaces as well. Or you can go to Google and directly type what what you want to use plus affiliate marketing. So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.